How to Remove Permanent Stains from Tiles 2023 Guide. If you've been struggling to get rid of stubborn stains on your tiles, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. 1. Identify the type of stain. Before you start cleaning, you need to identify the type of stain on your tiles. This will help you choose the right cleaning solution and method. Common types of stains include rust, grease, paint, and hard water stains. 2. Use a commercial cleaner. For tough stains that won't come off with regular cleaning, you may need to use a commercial cleaner. Look for a cleaner that's specifically designed for the type of stain you're dealing with, and follow the instructions carefully. 3. Try a natural remedy. If you prefer to use natural remedies, there are several options that can be effective for removing stains from tiles. Baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice are all great options. Mix them with water to create a paste, apply it to the stain, and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing with a brush. 4. Use a steam cleaner. A steam cleaner can be a great option for removing stubborn stains from tiles. The high temperature of the steam can help to loosen the stain and make it easier to remove. Simply direct the steam at the stain for a few minutes, and then wipe it away with a cloth. 5. Prevent future stains. Once you've successfully removed the stain, it's important to take steps to prevent future stains from occurring. This can include using a sealant on your tiles, avoiding contact with harsh chemicals, and cleaning up spills and stains as soon as they occur. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Some tips for removing permanent stains from tiles. Remember to identify the type of stain, use the right cleaning solution, and take steps to prevent future stains. With these tips, you can keep your tiles looking clean and beautiful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.